Remember that time you spent the whole meeting desperately trying to get people to align with your view? Losing time feels frustrating. Now, imagine a different scenario. People quickly committed to your view and you got time back. Would feel good, right? And there is a reason for that. You have an innate desire for progress. The same force that propelled you as a child from crawling to walking propels you forward today. In this video, you're going to explore 3 behaviors that will be essential for you to turn your desire for progress into a reality. I'll also share some valuable practices to help you adopt these different behaviors straight away. Firstly, learn to make sense of and simplify complex information. Provide clarity for others to get the job done. This is the starting point for any decision. For that, consider using a framework. Customer journeys, visual prototypes, or personas can help depending on what you're trying to show. Secondly, try territory mapping. In order to collaborate well, you need your team to understand the challenge. A visual territory map represents a view of the project's territory, as agreed by the team. Include the key people, themes, trends, relationships, and anything else that you find important. The next thing to do is to achieve appropriate stakeholder input. Eliminate bureaucracy and ensure fast decision-making and implementation. But since there are obvious risks in moving too fast or too slow, how do you get the pace of your decision-making just right? For most decisions, employ safe-to-try decision-making. Get people's reactions to your proposal, address them, make smaller bets if necessary, and then agree whether it's safe to try. It's about getting to a commitment to act, not agreement is everyone's first choice. This is progress, even over perfection. But not every decision is made equal. So also consider the ASAP or ALAP practice. On a simple matrix, plot how consequential and how reversible your decision is. When the decision is irreversible and consequential, gather plenty of information. Consider your contingencies and then decide. The biggest risk is moving too fast. Decide as late as possible. But when decisions are easily reversible or inconsequential, moving slow is the biggest risk. Decide as soon as possible. The final behavior is to act in a speedy and pragmatic manner. To adapt quickly to changing environments without sacrificing quality and long-term goals. Consider using test and learn practices like small bets or digital prototyping to help you get feedback and therefore a minimum viable product quicker. Then consider practices to help you course correct. Weekly prioritization meetings will help you agree focus areas, adjust plans if required, and maintain progress in the right direction. Or there's retrospectives for discussing what's working, what isn't, and planning for improvements without attributing blame. You won't pick all these practices up at once. Start small. But if you want to indulge your innate need for speed, these practices are the best place to start. To learn more about the practices mentioned in this video, read the guide for more information. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.